Here's how to multiply cells in Apple numbers. If you're working with a spreadsheet and want to do some basic multiplication between cells or numbers, it's super simple. Let's open up this sample spreadsheet. You'll see I have a list of months along with revenue data. Now let's say I want to take my December revenue and estimate my yearly earnings by multiplying it by 12. To do that, first click on the cell where you want the result to appear. Then hit the equals button next to delete. This tells numbers that you're starting a formula. Next, click on the December 2025 revenue cell. You'll see it get added to your formula. Now press Shift+8 to type the asterisk symbol, which is used for multiplication. Then type 12 and press return. Just like that, you'll see your December revenue multiplied by 12 to get a yearly estimate. Now let's say you want to total all the revenue from the year and multiply that number instead. Under the total row, click the cell, then press the equals key to start your function. Type sum, hit enter, and then select all the revenue cells from January through December. Hit return, and it will show the total revenue for the year. But if you also want to calculate projected revenue for 3 years, you can take that a step further. Double-click the total cell to edit the formula, add a multiplication symbol asterisk, type 3, and then press return. Now the result will show your total annual revenue multiplied by 3, giving you a quick estimate for the next 3 years. And remember, the order of operations, like parentheses, multiplication before addition, etc., still applies in Apple numbers, just like in Excel or other spreadsheet programs. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.